Hi, my name is Sunny. I am 47 years old and I started training with Straight Up Strong about 5.5 months ago. Before starting, I had no idea how to start a weight training program. Even though I've been a runner for the past 30 years and I have also ridden horses my entire life, weightlifting was never part of my training experience. Both running and horses have unfortunately left me plagued with injuries. I have a bulging disc in my back, my low back, a torn labrum in my left hip, and nerve damage in one of my feet. So choosing a trainer who has the knowledge and skill to program exercises around my injuries was a leading factor in my decision to sign up with Straight Up Strong. Being able to move my body and do the things that I love into old age is a top priority for me. When I first started strength training, I wasn't able to complete even one incline push-up on a bench. Now I can do more than 20 floor push-ups. I am working with barbells, squatting, and lifting heavier weights with control. My core is so much stronger than ever before, and the supportive muscles like my hips, my posterior chain, and quads are getting really strong. In fact, my back and hip injuries don't bother me at all anymore because I have other supportive muscle groups to compensate for the injuries. Having a plan makes it really easy for me on days when I'm not feeling motivated, which, let's face it, are most days. All I have to do is open up the app and do the workouts that have been planned for me. After being consistent with the workouts and progressively increasing weight and reps in a safe manner, I can feel my body getting so strong. I love working with Coach Michelle and Coach Tina. They are so knowledgeable about women's health and they know exactly how to push me to get stronger without getting injured. I love the individualized attention that they give me each week as they review my videos and give me personal feedback. They cheer for me when I improve, and they give me excellent guidance in terms of form and function for the movements. They know what equipment I have, and they work around my circumstances with my body to create the perfect workouts that are giving me amazing results. One thing I've noticed is that the more effort I put into the program and into my workout, the more effort the coaches put into planning and crafting specific tweaks for my specific needs. I really cannot say enough about these two amazing women and their excellent coaching. I would recommend Straight Up Strong to anyone who wants weekly personalized coaching for strength in a way that honors their body and where they are currently. If you're willing to be consistent with the workouts, your body will definitely respond and you will get so strong and feel great too.